Hello, I am Chief Police Deputy Lieutenant Joseph Olaf. Today's case involves a female named Aunt Sam. Aunt Sam was found on the floor of Zaxby's. She was being prepped for slicing and frying, just like every other pickle, ready to be a fried pickle. After the first slice, she was dropped onto the floor and badly injured on impact.
MD McDreamy on the case of Aunt Sam. On the ventral side of Aunt Sam, you can see there's a wound in the abdominal area. On the dorsal side of Aunt Sam, we can see that the impact of the fall broke the subject's back and has brain damage. As you can see, there's a toothpick through the victim's head. This looks to be the cause of the internal brain damage. Next, we're going to look for internal damage on Sam. I'm going to make a medial cut to look inside. We'll make another cut. Looks like we're all good. Well, looks like Aunt Sam was pregnant. The baby looks to be about 8 months and a half. Looks like we're having a C-section today. Now we're gonna have to do the C-section. We're gonna make a cut inferior to the abdominal region. This is another medial cut. Looks like we're gonna have to get them.
Okay, so we're gonna finish up the C-section in the abdominal area to extract the baby from Aunt Sam. Just do a little extra cutting. Here she is. She's so cute, I can't even deal. Tragically, Aunt Sam died shortly after the impact, but thankfully we saved Obamaniqua, her baby. The baby only has part of her left arm amputated inferior to the antebrachial, and we discovered that after a full body scan. Obamaniqua makes a full recovery and is adopted by Sir Forrest Trump, who does his best to make her life great again. Thank you.